Hi, I am architect Nimish, the founder of Cootershell. Today, I welcome you to the fourth episode of RENOVER. RENOVER is a series where we renovate houses and make our dream home. In this part of RENOVER, we are going to renovate a 3 BHK apartment in Kalyan. This is a spacious 3 BHK apartment which areas around 1100 square feet. In this renovation project, we have used contemporary interior style with a pop of chromatic color in it. So we normally select the style of the house looking at the spatial quality of the room. This room had ample of space and sunlight, so we opt for contemporary design style. So firstly, we started with fixing the layout of the house. We have arranged a semi-L-shaped sofa and the TV unit parallelly such that the TV unit is comfortably visible from dining unit. Partition cum decorative shelf was added to create a visual support to the linear sofa unit. On the same line, we created a curved edge ceiling. One edge was elongated to create the pelmet for curtains. On the other edge, we have elongated the ceilings toward the flooring to create a decorative arch niche. We have created the arch element all over the house as the highlighter element of the house. On the other hand, we have also added a linear shaped TV unit with decorative storage on the left hand side and 3D sheet on the right hand side of the TV unit with a long marble finish paneling which was schemed in a black, grey, white and wooden touch. To create a free-flowing design, we demolished one wall of the kitchen and placed a kitchen island with a white satvario finish from which a curved dining table was protruded. Dining area was enlightened with a linear chandelier, cement finished abstract art and a small bar unit. We continued the same pop color for the kitchen trolley and below storage to maintain the hierarchy in colors. For the passage space, we created a royal basin area which included golden chandeliers, green element and a mirror, followed by a row of curved gated profile putty to make user focus on the basin area. In the guest bedroom, we only concentrated on the mandir space with old and new design combination. We continued the arches and 3D element here as well with some backlight to enlighten the space. For the girls' room, we created a linear design with the use of grey and black as the base neutral color and a pinch of gold and yellow for the pops. On the left hand side of the sofa cum bed, we have added a floor lamp to create an ambient light at the night. The study table was converted into a dressing unit with small amount of storage and a semicircular mirror was placed to maintain the hierarchy of design. The wardrobe shutters were converted into sliding doors for the easy management. We tried incorporating traditional warmth to the master bedroom by adding wooden cross pattern paneling behind the master bed. We also added arched mirror and oval shaped chandeliers to complement the arch theme. We makeovered a dead window into a beautiful sitting corner by shifting the window behind. Also added arched on the top to highlight the sitting corner. The hall balcony was not well managed, so we changed the flooring to the wooden strip flooring and suspended a 4 feet swing with a backdrop of artificial vertical gardening and also painted the wall in a chromatic yellow color. We added pulley system for the cloth drying such that the clothes are not visible while using the space. if you are still watching the video, please like the video and comment down your favorite part of the design. Also subscribe to our YouTube channel, The Cooter Shell, as we are about to reach our 3000 subscribers on YouTube. We are very active on Instagram, so please follow us on Instagram. We are about to reach 16,000 followers on Instagram. DM your queries and requirements on Instagram. We will surely reply it. Till then, see you to the next episode of RENOVER.